how to use ski-kirai. So the big thing is that you're going to use this particle before ski, daisuki, kirai, and daikirai. Okay? And here's almost like kind of a direct object. This is what you like, hate, or really hate. Okay? You're not going to use the wa adjective because the wa adjective is already assumed to be the person who is doing the liking, if that makes sense. That's why if it refers to you, this is pretty much optional. So whenever you're going to say to someone like, oh, teriyaki ga suki desu, and you just don't even mention the wa part of it, it's assumed you're talking about yourself. Right? And so if you say something like, someone says something like, well, tamagoyaki ga suki desu, I like tamagoyaki. And you would say, oh, watashi wa suki desu yo. That doesn't mean I like me. It means I like it. Right? So what you're referring to, the thing that you're referring to that you like is going to have ga. So ga is it's a lot like wa, but it kind of has emotion to it. And it's used a lot with ski, and it's used like, for example, if someone were to say like, それはホチキスですか? And you say, いいえ、それがプロジェクターです. Right? So you're pointing something out. And so that kind of pointing out feeling goes with ski, kirai, daisuki, and daikirai as well. Okay? So this is how you show you like something. It is very easy to express, and then des just makes it polite. That's it. Right? So 私は寿司が好きです。私はブロッコリーが嫌いです。私は、大嫌いなものは、納豆は大嫌いです。大好きな食べ物は、とんかつですね。とんかつが大好きです。Right? So this is how you express yourself. A lot of times in anime, you'll also see girls, when ordinarily boys or girls in America would say, I love you. In Japan, they usually go as far as daisuki. They don't say, aishiteru, which means I love you. They say, I really like you, and that's enough. In fact, they had a prefecture in Japan, Akita-ken, where they surveyed like 600 married couples, and like only 2 would ever use the term aishiteru, or I love you, with each other. Even though they've been married like 40 or 50 years. So that's kind of how reserved Japanese are and how they just don't want to use like certain words. So of course this is changing a lot. But anyway, so to kind of explain again, usually the wa refers to the person who is saying, and if it refers to you, it's omitted. The thing that is liked by you or whoever it is usually ga succeeds it. So you could say, game ga suki desu, sakkar ga suki desu, football ga suki desu, basketball ga suki desu, right? So all those things with ga, and then the emotion, whatever it is. Any questions about that? Okay. So turn off.